Hello, my name is Sento, and welcome to the SVERA Untiered Devlog. I'm here to just show off some things that we've kind of done. I'd just like to preface that unfortunately we didn't get as much as obviously we've wanted to be able to do. There's been a lot of downtime and a lot of hiccups on the way, but let's get right into it. So at first you might realize the background's different. That's something that we've changed. As well as we've brought in the quit button, and actually it does work. I'm sure that some of you tried to click it and maybe it didn't do anything beforehand, but now it does. Now non-admins can now use the editor. So if people want to submit map ideas and stuff like that, they can definitely do it. Save the map and send it to us. We'd love to look at it. Next, we've actually fixed the archer and the walking animation when you have like masks on. By mask I mean like cloths. As well as in this top section you might notice that we actually have our glow working now when you're ascended, or if you're on the legends it will glow red. Other things that we've done is removed inaccessible dungeons like the ice cave, or just like shitons and other kind of little knickknacks. As well as we've removed the egg/chicken event. We've made some sounds for the game. If I set this up, sound effects and weapon sounds. And then after that, we started working on a lot of different things. But the main thing is, for example, when you had a paladin, apparently, here we are, and when you hovered over these seals, it would tell you that, for example, if you had a like legendary or something, it would say that it was a holy seal. So I've just fixed up some of the item names for some of the items, just so it sounds a bit more accurate. So like, for example, if you had a legendary seal, it would be called a legendary seal. And going forward, we did just a lot of code organization, or I did. And other things that we had done is we actually replaced all of the obtainable in-game legendary weapons, abilities, armor, and rings, as well as we've been doing the same for the sacred. So if I just quickly log on, and then you might see that I've got some pretty interesting items in my inventory, as well as I've got the legendary glow, like I mentioned beforehand. And so things that we have done is rename a bunch of the legendaries and sacreds, as well as give them new glows and new background, new outlines. All of these items kind of have different stats and whatnot. I'm really excited for all of this kind of detail coming through. As well as we got some artifact, which is the sacred variant. Right here. I haven't finished all of those, but we are very close and we're on our way to hopefully pushing this out sometime soon. One of the main things that I had done is actually normalize the outline and the glow, so it's not too big for some items. So GS being one of those things that had a bigger glow, and now they don't have as much as big of a glow. All of these items, they have their own effects. Very interesting stuff. And here I need to fix up the leather armor like we were mentioning before with the seal/holy seal. I'd like to quickly hand it over to Evil, as he has been helping us with some stuff on SVERA Untiered.
Hello guys, this is Evil. You may know me from Forgotten Pantheon. I'm just here to help out SVERA and on some projects such as UTR and other things. In this devlog, I added and fixed a few things with the client currently. As you can see, this is the first thing I fixed is hardware acceleration. You can't see it in options, but bind the key and then you can toggle between hardware acceleration. You know when it's on because currently it's off because there's 3D models in a scene. If you enable it, the 3D models go away. And that's also a thing you should watch out for. Like in dungeons like UDL, there are some pillars that you might get stuck on. So just be aware. of that. In the Nexus, you can walk through these. Another thing I did fix is in the market, you would load in and you wouldn't. You can see now offers, all the offers that are currently on the market. As well as that, if you can see here, the items have all numbers, and each number represents how many offers that item has. So the Karma Sacrifice has one offer, and it's there, obviously. Another thing is this button here. You can click it, and it's a tier search. So basically, all items will show up when I click this and search like A, and all the items show up that are not banned and stuff. If I go to Rusted and type A again, all the Rusted items of A come up. Same works for other tiers. So yeah, that's about it for the marketplace. I've also created a Discord bot, which will update the member count. So you guys will actually be able to see how many people are currently online. And this will be possibly added in the next update once the server updates. Thanks guys, and thank you for playing SVERA. Bye bye.
As of all things, I'd say that's it for this devlog. Thank you. Bye.